Something doesn't smell right. Markets highs again. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. This is being taped at 3 o'clock Eastern time, so we're ahead of the markets. I'll give you my end-of-day views here, but something doesn't smell right, something doesn't look right. As everybody on TV is now celebrating the consumer confidence numbers, I just got off of Fox and I said, last time we had numbers this high was 18 years ago. What happened? Well, the markets collapsed. And again, I'm not a long-term perma bear. I just think that the markets are due for a sell-off and we're going to see one. So when complacency comes in, we start to see these things happen. So to me, the market, something doesn't smell right in the markets. You know, if you watch today, okay, the volatility index, the VIX, was higher all day, even though the markets are higher. And it was higher yesterday, even though the markets are higher. So that, to me, says that the rally is possibly coming to an end. Now, again, it doesn't mean we're going to zero. It just means that there should be some selling pressure. Now, the only thing that's going to save this market this week is volume and volatility are going to continue to get lighter as we get towards the holiday week. We're coming up into the Labor Day holiday, so traders are gone. It's the last week of summer. In the meantime, you can look for the Dow to make a new all-time high. It's within about 2%, so it'll probably do that before we see anything major. Russell, NASDAQ, S&P, all at new highs. Transports, new highs. So again, that's not a surprise. We're in a very complacent market, but the underlying factors, the grain markets, with all the positive talk on trade now, grains were very heavy today, and they got hammered late in the day. You know, soybeans are down 14 cents. Corn was on 5.5 cents, which is a huge move in corn. And wheat went from positive to negative. To me, that says there's something wrong. And again, I'm still positive. I'm still buying them, but I'm getting a little bit concerned now because they should have rallied better yesterday, and certainly they should have had some action today. The meats, as expected, sold off pretty good today after yesterday's huge rally. That's not a surprise. They still look really strong. Bitcoin, very strong again. The cryptos, some up as much as 20%, IOTA being one of them. So again, we continue to look for opportunities to get into the crypto space. Gold got shellacked today after being higher early, down about 8 cents. Our nugget stock got hammered again a little bit today. But again, I think those ranges in gold are 1180, 1190 to 1220, 1230. And again, I'd like to see it consolidate in these ranges because I think that would be better for long-term bullishness. The oil market tried to rally, went over 69, and then got clobbered, and then it's closed. Well, right now, not closed, but trading around 68.55. So I think that shows that we're about done there. Bonds were heavy, so are rates going to go up, and what's going to happen to our debt service? These are all the questions, these are all the concerns that I have. I think rates are going to go significantly higher. I think we're going to see a 3.5 10-year before the year's over, no matter what the Fed says. Again, I think the free markets will take over, and I think we're going to see a stronger dollar, which was weak today, down in our support level, just under 95. So at the end of it, we see here, I think the market closes weak today. Okay, as I'm talking right now, the Dow futures are up 20, the Nasdaq's up about 20, and the S&P is up about 2 points. I say they possibly all close lower on the day. That's my call. This is early. I mean, I may be wrong, but that's what I'm thinking here. The rest of it is, again, it's really quiet, it's really slow, and the best position and the best trade sometimes is the one of patience and observation. I think this is what it calls for now, patience and observation. You sit back and relax. In the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update, and of course, if you want to come to my webinar tomorrow night, go to BubbaTrading.com. I'm going to do a webinar on futures, so BubbaTrading.com. You can sign up for free, no charge. Go do that. You want to help us out in our high school program? Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading, and catch the Bubba Show every day at 4 to 5 Eastern at LibertyTalk.fm. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much. We'll see you back here tomorrow on Bubba's Daily Update.